Yo, what up? It's your boy C's from thec'slife.com, and as promised, I want to be delivering the GPP phase of this program. Now this program, it is a marathon, not a sprint. Should call it the marathon, but we'll see. Anyways, meaning it's 3 days a week and it's gonna last for 4 weeks. This is the general physical preparedness phase, and this is just to get your body and mind right for the subsequent training blocks that we have planned in the future. But this is basically to get you in a well-oiled, groomed state, and with no injuries, and getting you more in tune on how your body moves, etc., etc. So I'm going to be covering day one. I'm going to be delivering it in small size chunks, day by day, day 1, day 2, and day 3. One, because this board is small, it doesn't allow me to write everything on it, and 2, so that you don't get overwhelmed, just take it a day at a time. All right, so let's get into it. Day 1, we're going to be in this phase is going to be a series of trisets, meaning 3 exercises per set. Okay, and you're gonna see some fitness jargon on this board. A1, A2, A3, B1, B2, B3 is just basically grouping the exercises together. That's it. All right, so we're gonna start off with the A group, starting with A1. All right, we have the goblet squat, and followed by straight arm pull down, dumbbell lateral raises. I have done these exercises before, so if you are in a rush, you can comb through my series of videos and find these exercises, or just look them up. Okay, I will be showing you the way that these exercises look when I get a chance to record them, but just wanted to get this video out there quickly. First block, we're going to be doing 4 sets, 10 to 15 exercises. The exercise, the 15 reps is geared towards your straight arm pull down and your dumbbell lateral raises. This is geared towards getting your posture right. This first block definitely is good to get you walking upright. All right, so we're gonna do 4 rounds, 10 to 15 sets, and then we're gonna move on to block B. All right, we have the dumbbell reverse lunges. We also have push-ups and the face pulls. Now we're gonna be doing 3 by 10 or 20 reps. Now the 20 reps again is geared towards the upper body. This is to get you that pump with the push-ups, and also get you your posture upright with the face pulls, your traps, your rhomboids, your posterior chain. Next up we have the C block is just 2 exercises. This is where you get your vanity lifts in, but I made it more functional so that you can get your core work in. We have C1, which is your stability ball plank, and C2, which is your farmer's carries. This is going to be working on anti-flexion and extension, and also we're going to be doing 3 rounds, 30 to 45 seconds. All right, this is geared to the moment that you stepped onto the gym floor, to get you in and off the gym floor between 45 minutes to an hour. Don't waste any time. Headphones on, lock in, get this work done. I'm also going to have it written down below, so check it out. Let me know if, one, you completed it. Let me know how you feel, and let me know if you have any questions. All right, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, and look out for day 2 and day 3 coming up next. All right, peace.